or 7 years old, get them cleaning the office, shredding paper, stuffing envelopes. Maybe you only pay them $100 or $200 a month, but that's okay. They can be paying for their own school lunches, their own school clothes, and you can be getting a tax write-off for stuff you're paying for anyway. A lot of people say, well, Mark, I'm not making enough money as a small business owner. Oh my gosh, if you're making any money at all, quit taking the profit and giving it to your family and paying for your family expenses. Get your family on the payroll and let them pay for their own stuff. You don't have to be rich to do this, people. Just change the way you spend your money. So here's some diagrams. This is one of about 8 diagrams we'll go through on that webinar. What I want to do is make sure that if your kids are over age 18, we're going to be paying your kids as an employee or a subcontractor. So as an employer or subcontractor. They can be paying for their living expenses or college or whatever. Now, if your kids are 18 or under age 18, this is where we pay them out of an LLC or sole proprietor. Now, some of you may be going, Mark, you just told me not to have a sole proprietorship or LLC. Well, I have, and many of my clients do, we set up a little sole proprietorship just to hire the kids. And then we take our S-Corp and pay a management fee over to the sole proprietor and then pay our kids. This is how it works. Do you know this has been on the books of the IRS for 100 years? This is the family farm. This is the deli in New York. Families have been paying their kids for years and not having to withhold Sudafed, FICA, or workers' comp, and your kids do not pay taxes on the first $5,950. This is the cool part, Dean. My kids can still be a dependent and exemption of mine, but they don't pay taxes on the first $6,000. Justin Bieber does not pay taxes on his first $6,000 this year. Neither do your kids. Put them on payroll. Put them on payroll. You can even form an IRA for your kids and let them buy real estate with their IRA. Your kids can now start investing in their college IRA with earned income that you're paying them out of your small business. Folks, do you think you could save a few dollars here? Do you think a whole hour on this topic could rock your world and you could walk into your CPA and go, why are my kids not on payroll? And they go, oh, you're right, maybe we should be doing that. CPAs are poor communicators. You've got to be the captain of your own ship. You've got to take control of it. It can save you thousands.